guys, welcome back again. Now in this part of the video, part 4 of this video, I'm going to be showing you how to withdraw, how to bind your address, the live withdrawal proof. Are you ready, guys? Now I'm going to be using an empty trust wallet so you can see how this goes straight into your wallet. So let's start. First of all, you click on the human icon below. So clicking on the human icon below, you can see I have 6.180 USDT in my balance. That's my balance right now, guys. So let's go to the withdrawal, guys. Now, first of all, you need to bind your address, guys. So come right here where you see bind USDT wallet address. Now we need to bind the address, right? So let me go straight to my USDT in my trust wallet and get my USDT wallet address, the receive address particularly, and bind. Now do that. Let me go straight to my trust wallet right now. Are you ready? Let's go. Alright, now welcome to my trust wallet. Now this is an empty wallet I'm going to be using, so you can see that this is the first currency that comes into this wallet right here, guys. Alright, okay, so let's continue. You can see $0.0. Sorry, I mistakenly choose the wallet that has something. So let's click on Tether USDT. So click on receive, copy the address. Now go back to the site. So let's go back to the site briefly and do the binding now. Okay, let me go back to the site. Alright, okay, now we're back to the US shop.vip. Now bind the address. Now you paste the address you copy right there. Now okay, let me log back into my account briefly. Now when you log back into your account, you click on the human icon below. Okay, click on the human icon below. You get down and you see bind address, USDT address, then you click on it. You paste the address you copy the sign, then you modify, guys. Successful. I have successfully modified my USDT receive address. Now we'll go straight to the withdrawal aspect. Now click on withdrawal right here. Now come right, you can see and click on your withdrawal. Okay, now we can withdraw $0.18, guys. Now the address has already been binded. Now that is the default address now. So we're going to be withdrawing funds into our account. So we're going to be withdrawing $0.180. So you click on withdrawal right here, click on withdrawal. So withdrawal has been successful, guys. The withdrawal has been successful. Let's go back to our trust wallet to confirm whether this withdrawal was really successful. So let's go back to our trust wallet. Then we'll refresh our trust wallet. As you can see, we are expected to receive 0.18 USDT in our wallet, and the withdrawal fee is 0, guys. Withdrawal fee is 0. The minimum withdrawal is as low as 0.01 USDT, guys. So it's very low. It's very low. We have automatically linked our address. So clicking over right here, let me get you guys all into this with me. All right, you can see now I just received the withdrawal right here, 0.18 USDT. You can check the time on my phone. You can check the time of the received USDT, guys. So you can see, you can also click for more right here to see the transaction hash, where it came from, everything. Now this platform is really legit, guys. It's a real legit platform. So you can see I received 0.18 USDT. Now it's confirmed. Now let's see the status, guys. So everything is successful. You can see the result is success, guys. This platform is just on another level. So let's go back to the platform, guys. Now how to withdraw has been explained vividly. So you have any question, any part you do not understand, just hit me up in the comment section right there and I'll be explaining better for you guys. So guys, let's check the withdrawal record on the platform. So click on the human icon right here. So come over here to the withdrawal record, click on withdrawal record, right, guys. So okay, you can see approved, guys, approved. Our withdrawal has been successfully approved over here. So you can see this is our withdrawal has been approved. So you can see we have received this USDT in our wallet, guys. This platform is a legit platform. You can see everything is being stated very well. So guys, make sure you just activate your account with 1 USDT and start making money on a daily basis just by simply taking taxes, guys. Thanks for watching this video. See you in the next part of the video.